Hi, I'm Rachel, one of the clinic coordinators at Sugarbox. Today, Leanne and I will go through everything that's involved in a superfood facial treatment. Yesterday I had a hands-on facial with Leanne.
This was completely hands-on for 60 minutes. We cleanse, tone, exfoliate, pressure point massage with superfood oil, and then a lymphatic drainage massage.
It was very relaxing and soothing.
The superfood mask goes on then to feed the skin and nourish the skin, and then we did a deep scalp massage while the mask was on.
Leanne did a lot of this movement, drainage movement she called it, which was really soothing.
So the biotech, we still use the Elemis products, and the machine will help to infuse the Elemis products. We use the lift and firm current or the galvanic current. So that's a bit of hands-on and on the machine, depending on what results you want. For relaxation, for Rachel, because she wanted more of the neck and shoulder massage and the scalp massage as well, for relaxation purposes, we went with the complete hands-on treatment for the 60 minutes.
I think having a hands-on facial, the relaxing element is key.
So when you first sort of start to cleanse a client in the shoulder area, you can tend to feel their tension, especially busy mums or busy dads working and multitasking throughout the day. So when you sort of get them onto your bed, onto your couch, you want them to relax and enjoy that 60 minutes. It's all about them, that's their time. It's a bit of me time for them.
It was very well needed after doing the school run and going to a circuit training class in the morning.
So lots of people do tend to sort of float away, or they might nod off.
I honestly felt like I was floating. It was an amazing feeling.
Superfood facial is really good for rebalancing the skin, feeding the skin, nourishing the skin. Any problems, they're eliminated then.
After having the treatment, my skin looked glowing and dewy. Even my husband noticed.
His skin will look really glowing today because we've done exfoliation and lymphatic drainage. So round her eyes will look more clear, her eyes can look brighter. His skin will look really hydrated with that healthy glow.
I took Leanne's advice and I allowed the products to absorb into my skin for the remainder of the day and in the night. And this morning I felt like my makeup looks more flawless. It just glided on easier, so I definitely noticed a difference.
It's a very good sort of physical outcome, but also a very good mental outcome, that they can feel harmonised and rebalanced.
Some of our ladies absolutely love the facial with the biotech machine. They come in on a weekly basis to have these treatments, but I personally preferred the hands-on treatment. I just found it more relaxing and I really felt as if I could drift off into a deep sleep.
The ultimate goal for us as a therapist is just for them to relax and be very switched off, forget about all their worries from the day, just completely unwind. So the ultimate goal is for them to really, really fall asleep and just drift off.
So if you like our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you want to be notified, hit the notification bell and we'll let you know every time our new videos are here.